secret. If you want to see how I did these in less than 8 minutes, keep watching. Alright, hi guys. This is Serena. Welcome back to my channel. No one asked for this, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. So right now you can see it's like all dry and straight. This is my natural hair. I mean, not the color, but the straightness. Okay, so the secret is this guy right here. This is the S1 Beachwaver. This is actually my second time buying this. Yung una ko nasira because I went to the Philippines and the voltage wasn't the same. So I bought a new one because I really liked it. So without further ado, let's start curling our hair. With this dude, I can curl my hair in less than 10 minutes. I'm actually gonna time myself just to be sure I would actually stopwatch. Alright, so I'm not gonna start the timer yet because this one is Bio Silk. Just apply like to your hair. You can do it with any kind of like heat protector or something. But yeah, I'm gonna achieve this in like 10 minutes. So, alright, I'm gonna set the timer now. Okay, first is like I feel like you should just know like the length of your hair, and then you just clip it and then press the button and it's gonna rotate for itself. It's that easy. Maybe like 30 seconds per strand, per hair, per batch. I don't know how you call it. Okay, it's gonna I can't really show it to you guys. So that's the first strand. So you clip it and then I'm just pressing a button here. So yeah, it's that easy. 30 seconds. And then you press this one, and then release it like so. There you go. It's curled now. And then the other there. I feel like you should just know the length of your hair to do this, because then it was like press this and like put it in a 45-degree angle like a slanting angle. So right now we're at 3 minutes and 30 seconds and it's like half the hair now. So if you're in a rush to like event or anything, this is a good buy. It's my go-to hair thingy. And then I just like adjust it with the length of my hair. So for this small little strand, maybe like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's fine. And then for this other side, let's switch to the other side of the road. Curled side, straight side.
Can I kiss you?
That's the final look. 8 minutes. Less than 8 minutes. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next